Hey, this is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create AI animation photo using simple way. It's 100% free. So I'm going to lexica.com. It's you go to lexica.com, lexica.art. There here the go to lexica.com, then type example of I'm going to Kylian Mbappe. You can see it's 100% match for original Mbappe. Example of this photo. And then here the download option you can use to photo social media and any other platform. This is no matter and no copyright issue. Then I'm going to another one. I'm going to example of Shah Rukh Khan. Then type Shah Rukh Khan. Wow, you can see the beautiful. Yeah, this is a 100% match, and this one. And I'm going to another one example of Messi. Oh, beautiful! It's awesome tool, AI tool actually. This is matching for Messi. This one. I'm going to another one example of John Cena. You can see this is a match for John Cena, and this one. And you can see here is the download option, and if you want to edit others example of this here go to in editor, so I don't need to edit. This is awesome. So if you want to create any celebrity photo, this no problem, this AI tool make those photo. If you want photo, if you want to more video to type up, please subscribe the channel and turn on bell icon. Thank you.